decent. Yeah, it looks good. It's really cute. I love that. Hey guys, it's your girl Rebecca, Becky all day. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I'm actually very excited about this video because I am doing my first human hair video on my channel. It's featuring Unice Hair from Amazon. They sent me the 13x6 613 lace wig in 14 inches for me to review. It is 150 density and it's of Brazilian hair quality, Brazilian rummy hair quality. The total for this wig is $142.99. This is so cute. This is cute. Okay, this is cute. All right, so if you'd like to know how I got it to this point, make sure to keep watching. So this is how the wig looks fresh out of the box, and I actually washed it with some purple shampoo to get that yellow tint out of it. So originally I planned on dyeing this color a mint color green, but you know, it didn't work out as you can see. Nope. So I opted for blue. And that's how it looked. I used conditioner to dilute the color so it's not so dark. It looks after I've washed out the color. My friend suggested that I cut it into a bob, so we did just that. And I did it the ghetto way. Fight me. I do not know how to cut, so don't judge me. Okay, so this is how it looks. And I kind of think I like it because then I'm just going to bump it like that. And I kind of want to bump it to see if I like it first. I don't know. I can't fix it. Like, this is not something I can fix. It's just going to be this length. That's how you know I'm nervous. You see my upper lip? That joke. Right. All right, so it obviously worked out. I got through it, and I'm just bumping the ends because, like I said, y'all know I can't cut. Okay? Yes. So we are going to go ahead and apply this wig because it came out just the way I wanted and I'm happy. All right, so what I'm doing here is using alcohol to remove the makeup off my forehead. So we're going to be using the Bold Hold Liquid Gold to apply this to my head, using a blow dryer in between, and just put it on my head like that. Simple. So obviously this wig is too small for me, so we're just going to glue it to where it reaches on my head. So I'm going to take out my edges using my comb, and then I will just lay it down with some Got2b, and that's where I fucked up. And then I will use a strip to set it or whatever, and yeah. Okay, obviously I like it, but girl, them edges was stuck to my forehead. So, because like I said, I regretted using a Got2b. So I just took some mousse and put it on top, and it literally made it not so stiff. So, note to self, don't use Got2b when you're using human hair because, baby, it makes it stiff. Like, stuck to your forehead. Usually with synthetic, it's easier to, fix it. But anyway, like I said, I used some mousse, and that's pretty much it, and that helped with that. So I'm just going to go ahead and flatten it with my hot comb and also flat iron it. So that's what you'll see me doing in the next few clips. Okay, so I know y'all see that shiny residue, and with this adhesive that I use for my hair, you can use some water on the paper towel to just get that out. So what I'm doing is just using Got2b to help with those flyaways. I put my foundation in the part to make it more visible, and just, you know, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and continue to flatter in the hair. All right, so keep watching for my ending thoughts. And I have to start with, I love this wig. Density states to be 150, but honestly, I'm gonna lie to you guys, when I first got it, it was quite thin, so that's why I cut it into a bob. It was so thin, I did not even think I liked this wig. I started to like this wig when I cut it into this bob. Let's talk about is the lace. As far as the lace, I would say that the lace is, I don't think this is HD lace, so it's a little thicker. If you guys can see, it is quite blendable, although it's not soft. It is blendable. Like, it don't look bad at all. Actually, I won't lie to you guys. It looks very good. It definitely blended very well, in my opinion, and I love that about this wig. As this is me putting heat to it, you know, coloring it multiple times, and it's still soft. I love it. It's very, very soft. The pros to this wig is how it takes color. It takes color very well. The lace had a lot of lace. It has a lot of lace. You know, the 13x6 is very much 13x6, but more like, you know, I would say it's 6, but I don't know about 13. The cons to this wig is when I first got it, it was really, really thin. Another thing I would say I don't like about this wig is the flyaways. There's a lot of flyaways. I feel like if I had a wax stick, it would have, you know, it would have helped with that, but you guys did see me use Got2b, and it helped to a certain extent, but you can still see them a little bit. Well, would I recommend this hair? Yes, I will. Honestly, I won't lie to you guys. If you were looking for a nice decent price wig to color and, you know, or leave at 613 with the full roots, that's cute too, but you know, I wasn't really feeling that color on my skin. But is it big head friendly? No. It's not big head friendly. My head is big. I have a 23-inch circumference, and this joint does not go nowhere. Girl, I couldn't even do nothing down here. Like, I literally had to treat this wig like it was a 5x5, because I, like, honestly, once it literally stops. I don't even want to show y'all, but it stops like right here on my head. So if you have a big head, keep that in mind. It doesn't really matter, because I intend on wearing it like this, with both sides like this, you know what I mean? So it's okay. I'm not too angry about that. It's soft, it's manageable, it moves, it's cheap, you know what I mean? It's not a lot. It's 142. I think that's a reasonable price for a bob, for a nice bob, you know what I'm saying? A bob that, you know, at one point I could strip the color on this one and color another color. I might do red next. I'm thinking red, y'all. I'm thinking red hair. What y'all think? You guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. I hope you go and get this wig, and if you did, let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments that you went and bought this wig. Let me know how you do it, if you do, what color you dye it, or you leave it at 613. I would like to thank Unice Hair for sending over this wig for me to review for you guys, and make sure to like that button below, that thumbs up button, to let me know that you really digging the kid, you digging the style, you digging the content, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, go ahead, like that. So go ahead, subscribe to your girl, you feel me? Subscribe to me. I got content coming, love. I'll see you in my next one.